Yoga is not about illness, it is more about the wellness. It is more about the wellness. Getting established to yourself, the bigger self, is yoga. Because ultimately we defined yoga as what? Union. Union of what? Higher self to the lower self. We should, however, understand what are the kind of suffering a humankind is undergoing. Because yoga basically addresses the sufferings in human being. What are the 5 sufferings? One is avidya. Avidya is ignorance. Ignorance of what? Giving importance to something that is not important. Avidya is not understanding what is real, what is not real, what is permanent and what is impermanent. Not understanding it is avidya. Second is asmita. Asmita is the so-called I-ness in you. Having a separate feeling about yourself, separate feeling, separate identity, which leads to superiority complex or inferiority complex, and that gives you misery. So the first one is avidya, next one is asmita. Third is raga. Raga is continuously craving for something. Raga, craving the 5 indriyas, that is the 5 senses, they constantly crave. This is one suffering. It is considered to be the suffering of a human tendency. Even your asmita craves. Then comes dvesha. Dvesha is something opposite to raga. That is aversion or hatred. Aversion or hatred is a suffering. To hate something is a very big suffering. It should be very clearly understood. Dvesha is a great suffering. Then comes abhinivesha. Abhinivesha means what? Abhinivesha is fear. Fear is what? Projection of the past into the future. You are projecting something happened that in the past that you are projecting in the future, and you are worried about it. That is fear. Fear of death, fear of the loss of name and fame, fear of what will happen to your image. All these things are abhinivesha. See, these 5 are the sufferings which our yoga addresses these 5. It doesn't address much about the illness of the human body, but it addresses the well-being of a human being. How does it address how these 5 sufferings can be eliminated? It can be eliminated through Kriya Yoga, Tapa, Swadhyaya. Tapa means austerity. Swadhyaya means getting established into various scriptures. Then Ishvara Pranidhana, getting connected to the divine and offering every outcome of you into Ishvara. These are the methods with which you can eliminate the 5 sufferings.